Alright, what's up? Today's video, we're doing a new project. It's the brothers PC build video. My first time building a computer, our first time doing it. Alright, here's all the gear we got. To start with the motherboard, MSI A320 with the AMD, what is this? AMD Ryzen 5 2600. And for RAM, we have the Corsair Vengeance Pro with the RGBs for some cool factor. For storage, we have Western Digital 500 gigabyte M.2 mounted solid state. For graphics card, got the GeForce GTX 1050 Ti. Power supply is a Seasonic 80 Plus bronze, and I think it's modular, but I forget. We'll see when we open it up. And what else? For the monitor, just a Scepter 24-inch LED. I think it's only a 75 hertz refresh, but it's better than nothing. And then got this little gigabyte Wi-Fi adapter in case we don't do a wired network. And we got this little headset from Amazon. It's pretty cheap, like 30 bucks, but it has RGBs, so it's sick. And then same thing with the keyboard, Amazon little hookup. I think it's like 47 bucks, but they got RGBs, not the RBGs, RGBs, so it's pretty sick. And the mouse pad. And then for the case, NZXT, what is this, H510, and it's in a white and black color. So let's get to opening everything up. There's the AMD Ryzen 5 2600, and it comes with some kind of cooler. I forget what it's called, but I think it's a Wraith Stealth cooler or something. And it has thermal paste already applied. And that's everything from the box. Just the CPU itself and the cooler. Oh. And there's an arrow on the bottom corner that has to match with the arrow on the socket. Open the lever, drop in the CPU, and then close the lever to lock it in. And the cooler goes right on top, but we gotta remove these brackets.
I'm pretty sure that's small. Oh yeah.
Maybe it is.
Yeah, I'm gonna go get.
It's kind of freaky how tight they are. I feel like I'm gonna snap the board in half. Go this way. Yeah. It's locked in. Drop this on top. Screw. Probably route this better at some point. Alright. That's good.
I have no idea how this comes off. Okay, got it. Just feel like a wind. Oh, yeah.
Nice.
Okay, so
Is that everything for the box?
yes.
That's
Yeah.
Alright, now we finally got the motherboard standoff switched around. We only had to change 2 of them. It was, this one had to be put there, and then one right here to match this micro ATX motherboard.
Screws.
After searching for a long time, we finally found the mounting hardware, we hope.
Yeah, there's a bunch of it in here.
The
Yeah.
motherboard. So now we got the I/O shield in there.
Oh, it has easy open.
I mean, that's the back for surgery.
Let me just open it and then pretend to not being open. Okay, you ready? Ready?
It's already recording.
Oh. Okay.
Jerry's begging. I think we have snacks.
You want a GPU, Jerry? You want a GPU? Who wants a GPU? Jerry wants one. Give me the GPU. It's a lizard flavored GPU.
Right here. This one. Oh, you got it. Come here. It's not what. Oh, boy. Huh?
You got rid of it?
Get that really loose before I can get to small again. Okay, got that one. Nice.
And now we come to the part that isn't too fun. And also, this power supply is not modular, it just has black cables, which is nice. Keep everything nice in one color. Oops.
Are you gonna? Is there? Wait. Off of the thing.
We got the moment of truth right now. We're gonna press the power button, see if it works.
Yeah, hopefully it does.
Oh, let's zoom zoom in. Whoops, whoops, whoops. Is this power back thing on?
6 plugged already.
I'm scared, dude.
I heard a noise. Do we have to turn the monitor on?
It is.
It is on. That's fine.
There was a noise, nothing happened. Alright, so after some struggling, getting it fired up, we moved around the cables, adjusted a few things, put the GPU in and out about 20 times, and then finally got everything fired up. Looking pretty nice. We're just downloading the Windows installer right now, and then we'll be able to boot it up shortly. Alright, go ahead and take that seal off. Now that it's finally up and running. Just gonna pull the whole thing over. Nice. Alright, everything's pretty much set up now. We just had to add a Wi-Fi adapter to the back. That way we can get online. And then we also added a 480 gig Western Digital solid state. That way we can start downloading the games and stuff to it. And we're just watching some live streams on YouTube right now that aren't loading that well because of the internet here. But the setup is done, Windows 10 Pro installed. Everything's running smooth. Alright, so we got the PC finished up right there, running some live stream right now. And yeah, we ran into a kind of difficult spot with the wiring and stuff, but we figured it out eventually. And now it's looking pretty good. How was it for you, Justin, building it?
It was fun. And, you know, till we had to try to load Microsoft 80 times.
What about you, Joe?
I mean, it was fine. I didn't do too much.
I
Nick, how was
didn't
it?
do a lot. Justin did like most of it. I mean, you and Justin.
It's better.
It's tough. But yeah, now it's working, so whenever we get some games downloaded to this thing, we will try and show how it performs.